University is where you study a lot of things.
What 20 years old?
I think 19 years old you can go university.
190?
Yes. Do you manage to find that? How about you look for this one? The one with the purple butterfly.
Okay.
And then this one, this is at a corner. Find the one at the corner. There's a rabbit ear here. Is there a rabbit?
Yeah.
Is there a rabbit somewhere?
Yep.
Do we have a rabbit?
Wait now.
Is that a rabbit?
Wait.
Okay. That's whose face is that? I think it's upside down, you know.
Like that.
No, it's upside down.
Like that.
I think so. Is that correct? Yes, it is. That's smart. How about the rabbit? I can see the rabbit ear here.
I don't know where is this.
No, remember? Those at this side has to be straight because they are at the side. See, those at this side has to be straight. Oh, is that a rabbit?
Yeah.
That's smart. How about any more at the side here?
Wait, okay. Wait.
Oh, that looks like
The
tiger's
tiger's
face.
nose.
Nose. Oh. Is that right? Turn around and see. Very clever.